Okay, so let's start with what we know. We know that the force of gravity on the box by the Earth is happening at 250 newtons. The force of gravity on the table by the Earth is happening at 100 newtons. So we know that the box is interacting with the table and it's a normal force. And we know that the box is interacting with a spring scale tension force. So we know that the box is interacting a tension force on the box by the spring scale is happening at 150 newtons. Okay, and that's where I got that from. So then the man's interacting with the spring scale, man's interacting with the floor, the table's interacting with the floor, and everything with the Earth. Okay, so then we know that the box is interacting with the Earth. Okay, force of gravity on the box by the Earth is happening at 250 newtons. We also know that the box is being pulled up by the spring scale, the tension force on the box by the spring scale, and it's happening at 150 newtons. And then we also know that this needs to be even, and so that means we're left with 100 newtons, so that would be a normal force on the box by the table happening at 100 newtons. Now with the table, okay, the table is being pulled to the center of the Earth, so force of gravity on the table by the Earth is happening at 100 newtons. Then it is being, it is interacting with the box down. So the force of normal force on the table by the box is happening at 100 newtons. So that means that the floor, so it's a normal force on the table from the floor is happening at 200 newtons. And then once again, we have the normal force on the box by the table, and then we also have the same force, the same values, and that is the Newton's third law pair.